Did you know one player stole more bases than entire teams score runs in a season? Rickey Henderson swiped 1,406 bases in his career. The 2022 Oakland Athletics only scored 1,399 runs all year. That's 7 fewer than what one man stole over 25 seasons. In 1982, Henderson set a record that still stands today by stealing 130 bases in one season. When he broke Lou Brock's all-time record, he famously declared, "I'm the greatest of all time," during the ceremony. Henderson wasn't just fast. He walked 2,295 times and hit 297 home runs as a leadoff hitter. He studied pitchers for hours, learning their timing and habits. Playing until age 44 across 9 different teams, Henderson's dominance is mathematical. His record is 50% higher than second place, Lou Brock's 938 steals. Modern analytics proved his base stealing created even more value than originally calculated, making him baseball's ultimate weapon.